Get up, 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 get up. I got something to tell you I don't think they want you to know. Boots on the ground, putting it down. It's Mickey D with The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me today. As you know, this is a show about your education, your entertainment. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. I'm in front of Planet 13 today on location. Planet 13 announced their earnings. We're going to talk about those in a second. They did a conference call earlier. I listened to the conference call. I'll give you an update here in a minute. My books, Make Money Online with Cannabis Stocks. I list over 40 stocks. I list a strategy in there for you also that you can use in any market for the rest of your life. Also, there's investing in medical and recreational cannabis, buying before, during, or after legalization. There's companies in there that you need to hear about that will benefit you in this business. You're going to be in this business for a very long time, my friends. Your education is very, very important. Promising medical marijuana and CBD treatments. As you know, the government is has approved one drug. It'll be approving more drugs as time goes on. The largest indoor and outdoor marijuana farms in the world. What's going on right now over in different parts of the world, especially Italy right now. The African marijuana gold mine, Richmond O'Soil meets Wall Street, Canopy and other companies are overbuying assets over in Africa right now. But my friends, let's talk about the earnings of Planet 13. Bob Groesbeck, Larry Schiffler, and the CFO, which is get the CFO's name, with Larry Schiffler and Dennis Logan. They did a conference call this morning. They mentioned some good things. Planet 13, you're looking at revenues 8.3 million compared to 3.4 million. Gross margins 4.2 million compared to 1.7 million. All the numbers are up. We're looking at like 145% up on the revenues. Gross margins 4. We're looking at 140. One of the things that stands out to me is 7 million compared to 10.8 million in a decrease of 35% with their total liabilities. Now we like companies that have revenues go way up, liabilities go way down. So that's where we are with Planet 13. Planet 13 is a company that you're 25 to 35 years old, 40 years old. This is a company you're going to be able to roll with for a long time. I remember the guys hit me to AOL, America Online, when the internet first started years ago, and I rode that company up, to almost $500,000 or so. That was a really, really cool. I believe I'm not saying that Planet 13 is like that. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. I'm an author, I'm a researcher, and my research has taken me to Planet 13, and even before the property came out, and bear with me now with the wind and stuff, bear with me please. The company, before the company even came out, I had a hunch, and I walked through here with Bob and Larry before Planet 13 even opened, but their numbers are phenomenal. Look at the report if you'd like. Also, let me give you the number to where you can listen to the conference call. Get your pen and paper here. The conference call, you can get it free. We're talking the replay at 888-390-0541. Once again, that's 888-390-0541. It'll be available for 2 weeks. The reference number will be 025599. Once again, that's the reference number 025599. As you can see, it's starting to get a little crowded here. Last time I was here, I was attacked by Santa Claus. Oh, it was great, but that was a good thing. Also, another one of our books, Marijuana Today, Vanadium and Uranium Tomorrow. You know, we're looking to go big in uranium and all when the president signs 232. We'll see how that goes. Right now, he's getting a little opposition, but I believe that he will prevail in the end. So we'll see how that goes. But anyway, great day. Have a great, if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe. If you like what you hear, we're boots on the ground. We go to these different locations. Today, later on today, I hope to go over to City Council here in Las Vegas. They have a big vote on smoking lounges. So I hope to bring that information to you, whether they have an upvote or a downvote. And also, I need to know how that vote is going to affect Planet 13. Now, they've got a big area here as they do their expansion. You know, they're going to have a big lounge, you know, but they're part of the county, whereas maybe Curaleaf, MedMen, like Green Thumb Industries. Those companies are part, I believe, of the city. So I'll ask and I'll see how the city is affected by something, if the county is affected by something that happens in the city. We'll see. Bob has said that this stuff will be worked out by the beginning of the year or so. At the end of the year, this stuff will be worked out and everybody will have these smoking lounges, which are very, very important. But the pizzeria here, the cafe is going to be here. The numbers look big now, but they're really going to be huge here in a little while. That said, if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe, like, share the videos and all. Planet 13, good guidance, good numbers, total, I think a home run. So we'll see how the market treats it. You know, the market sells on the news and later on things happen. But that's just the way it happens. Anyway, love you. Take care of yourself. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. Have a great day.